Hi, this is James with Mobility Quad. This is one of our newer UTV Polaris Rangers we call Mobility Quads. This one happens to be a joystick driven. There's a couple of features on this. One of them, it has dual easy locks and dual removable seats. I will show you some of the features of this mobility quad. You have dual easy locks. You have the joystick steering. You have all your controls here. You have electronic shift. You have a monitoring system that monitors your batteries. You have turn signals. And you have power brakes with throttle. You also have a tilt steering wheel that is removable. By the way, the removable seats are right here. With the steering attached, you can either drive this vehicle with the joystick, or you can disengage it and drive manually. That's without using the joystick.